So this is the place that I drove past. Sick, innit? So I'm hoping there's a sweet picture here. Doesn't do up. Try not to drop a lens again. So we're down. There's my first shot. Absolutely love it. Got the waterfall kind of framing the bottom, lovely ferns, and then the light right at the back. Super happy with that first shot. That love composition comes through, beautiful ferns and this light. It's just so nice. So back of the car, I got a little bit further upstream and there's a sign saying private land, not open to public access. So I just stopped and turned around. So we kind of got the shot where I was there and then the shot where I was there looking into these ferns, and such a beautiful little part of the stream, even just that little bit, just so nice, so beautiful. And the ferns, it's just absolutely popping at the moment, the ferns and the colour this time of season. And yeah, hope you like my little teeny adventure of this little river, little stream in Cornwall. And yeah, till the next time.